man, welcome to my channel. This will be the first video on my YouTube channel. Look, man, welcome in, man. I'm glad y'all joined me. I'm glad y'all tuned in. See how I'm doing, see how I'm living. Today, man, I want to take y'all on a little day-to-day journey. If that's cool with y'all, y'all want to follow PIE and see what he do, you know, on a day-to-day basis. 5:56. Up since 5. My plan was to get up, go to the gym in my apartments. You know, can't stop the grind, man. So yeah, that's the plan for the day, is get up early, work out. Then from, you know, I got my whole little day mapped out, whatever. But today I got a detail job at 8 a.m. So from about 7 to 7:30, I'll be getting dressed, ready to go. 8, I'll be arriving at the job location. And yeah, be a little good productive day. I'll let y'all see what it's like, man. Oh yeah, SSB the game, man. Stay solid, brotherhood, man. Ha! Shout out Ghost. Yeah. Alright, this is the lineup for today. Alright, let's check it out. Carpet. Seats got condition. See how this other one. Inside showing up. Alright, man, welcome back. Hold up, there we go. So I know I'm looking sweaty, but yeah, man, Dream Team Auto Detailing, baby, check it out. Like the 92 Dream Team, our quality can't be beat, baby. Yeah. But yeah, man, things went pretty good over here. And so yeah, just finished up, man. Just knocked out 2 little mini details. That's business, man. Follow me, man. Stay tuned. You see the bandana, man. I ain't really get too much of me washing the cars, because that wasn't the goal. The goal was just let you guys come with me for the day. So yeah, man, stay tuned. We'll see what's next. On the way back to the house, man. Alright, y'all. So I haven't been keeping y'all updated. Boom. Check out the hat. Yeah. But anyway, man, so a few things. I had a new customer. I got a new customer I'm on the way to now. But in between that, I asked him, did he have water? Did I have access to water? He said no. I needed to fill up my water tank. It hadn't been filled in a couple months, so I had to find somewhere I could get it filled up. Luckily, I know somebody that owned the club. Shout out my boy Mello over there in Houston, or HTX. Give me a second, hold on. What's up, bro?
Hey, what up, bro?
Nothing much. I'm my bad, I forgot to tell you, I'm 15 minutes away.
Okay, yeah, my bad. I'm on the same game.
Alright, yeah, you good. I'll be there in a little bit. Alright. Oh, there I go. Y'all seen that. Yeah, man. He ain't had water. I had to fill it up. HTX. Shout out my boy Mello. Filled it up there. But yeah, here we are, man. I keep updated when I get here. I'll show y'all the cars, but I'm not going to actually let y'all see me the process of washing them and stuff. But man, come on. But yeah, man, stay tuned. Team Detailing HTX, man. Check me out. Yeah, here. Give me a second. Last one in the lineup at this location, like S550. Finna get this working in, man. Yeah, man, it's not bad overall. None of his cars were dirty, really. We even got the fifth wheel shining too. Yeah. I say, I've been working, tired, bruh, hungry, but my whole body aching, head throbbing. Oh man, but thank God, thank God. Quick little interlude. Look at that salmon fish stir, boy. Got the guac pico, jalapenos, cauliflower rice, cabbage, and cilantro. Yeah. Alright, man, so let me get that. Hold up. Boom. Alright, man, so nightcap, you know. Today was a good day. It was productive. I woke up at 5 o'clock. I got in the gym. Got to my customer location. Hit 2 details out, mini details. I did have that Rolls Royce, that customer. That was a new customer. And today was a pretty fly day. Y'all got to see some, you know, something that doesn't happen on a daily basis. As far as the volume of cars, I did 6 cars today. in a class of cars. Don't happen that often, but the plan is to make this a daily, routine. So yeah, man, follow me, stay tuned. Dream Team Auto Detailing, Big Homie Pop, social media. Oh, HTX, can't forget that part. But yeah, man, y'all have a good night. Stay tuned. Follow the kid, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see.